Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to unarchive job on Indeed. So simply you have to go on your profile, then you have to go on My Jobs. Here in My Jobs you will see archived. Just simply you have to go on archived, and here you will see your archived jobs. Just simply select your job and then you have to click on this three dotted button. Just simply click on it and then the new window will be open on the screen. Here you will see two options and you have to go with an archive. Just simply click on it and your job will be unarchived, and then you will see your job will be unarchived. So guys, this is how to unarchive job on Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.